Hey guys, Chaz with Battleborn Off-Road here. I've got this 2008 FJ Cruiser, and this customer really likes to wheel this thing hard. You can see it's got a lot of upgrades on it: suspension, armor, front bumper, but he's having issues with his alignment. And what happens is when he's going off-road, he's smacking things pretty hard. Obviously, he's driving it a little bit quicker. So you can see the factory cam tabs here that hold the alignment cam bolt in place. They're totally bent out of whack. It's something that's been happening for a while. You can see that here, how this one is basically folded over. So what we're doing today is we're installing a set of the Total Chaos cam tab gussets. And if you compare the two, you can see how much thicker this is and how well it's supported by the welds that we put on here. So we're going to put these on the front and rear where these cam tabs are. We're also going to replace the cam bolts with SPC. This is going to give us a little bit more adjustment, as well as fix some of the seizing issues that we're having with those bolts, making it easier to align the vehicle. Once we've got these installed, these should not move at all, no matter how hard he's driving this vehicle. If you are someone who takes off-roading seriously and you're having trouble keeping alignment, these Total Chaos cam tab gussets, great upgrade.